Your kitchen lights are controlled here. Your kitchen counter lights are controlled by this button, which can turn on and off the lights. Your light circuits are controlled by these buttons. Press once to turn on. Press and hold for 3 seconds to dim the lights, then press again to turn off. All your ready fitted appliances need to be registered with their manufacturers for warranty purposes. Contact details for each manufacturer can be found in the description beneath this video. You will find a set of switches above your kitchen countertops. You can manually boost your fan using this one. This is advised during cooking and switched off after.